Hello beautiful family, how are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. As you all know, today the 19th day of June 2024, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was live and direct at the Federal High Court Abuja. In fact, I don't really want to talk too much. I want to listen to each of the details, and make sure you watch the video to the end so that you will hear the next adjournment day. Thank you, and I'll be right back. You can imagine the entrance of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Oh, now they see the way everybody they run kitikiti, everybody they run katakata, just the expectance, just to see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now there you go, no say leader day for inside leader. It's not easy. I bet make the federal government just comply, make they release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Una see the way everybody they stand up, they wait for that fact that they go welcome and say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you are highly welcome. We are happy to see you. Now be this moment right now. Una they see the feelings of seeing the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. Even in movement, una know say the man he know wetin he dey do and he know wetin he stands for. Though Mazi Nnamdi Kanu make a lot of speech along the line of which we go watch the video to the end so that we go get all the updates. Make I leave una my wonderful family, make una listen to some of the things. Though the volume dey low, but we go see the understand shabali.
You know that thing has failed. Whereas force of character. You've done that so many times.
Slavery in Arabia, slavery in Europe, slavery in America. So I think we should focus our time and work towards making sure that this continent stands up to work for
How are you? Good to see you. How are the kids?
Fine.
people without going to jail and suffering for them. It's normal. But my primary concern is to stop insecurity. And it's that it will stop. Once I come out, it will stop. And they know it. So those keeping me in detention are those that are either benefiting or profiting from this insecurity. That's all there is to it. Okay? And everything, of course. And some of these soldiers, we are told, are also our people. Is that correct? Yes. And the family is now in mourning.
Yes.
So all the making of young widows is condemned in its entirety. I don't want it. I don't want anybody to die.
Yes.
We are fighting for freedom. Then how can we fight for them at the same time? It's not possible. We want people to be free. That's what we're fighting for. Nothing more. We've suffered a lot in Africa. I don't know if you know that. Africans have suffered, from slavery in Arabia to slavery in Europe to slavery in America. So I think we should focus our time and devote it towards making sure that this continent stands up to what God promised it is going to be. And that's why we're doing what we are doing.
Even Nigeria no chapala with the Biafra. Ogo Juku. I meeting, okay, letter. I am an nose. In fact, even in an discussion, and then now the can from beginning. The struggle for the independence of Biafra, Abroy Hog, not a peaceful match out. Those you put on the so here and Biafra member the first Russia and USSR Yugoslavia, Slovakia, Serbia, India with Pakistan, Uzbek, Bangladesh, so open a bassa, so we are now try to move Habusia, Hamambu in Chanina. I got no Banya Bunketa, Mahachoria, Haga, only Kuraza, so Hagano, I got Banketa, so no young, yes, they will thank you, all right, PPC, all right.
Okay. Yes. Yes. June 19, June 19, 2024, being the latest adjourned date from the order. What transpired in court, we want to know, the Biafran family want to know as well.
Briefly, listen, what transpired in court today, we are not happy. There is still that very situation that we have been decrying from the very beginning, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not going to get a fair trial. Do you understand? That is why we are raising several objections. And if he's not going to get a fair trial, there is not going to be any trial. So we have to stand on that to see whether there are other ways of settling this matter. This is where the Section 17 of the Federal High Court Act came in, because everybody is now looking at an impasse, at a stalemate, that the government is probably not even interested in trial. That is why they are blocking our access as counsel to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to better prepare him. So I'll yield the floor to my colleague here, Nemeke Ejiofor, to explain further to you.
Thank you very much. Well, as you may have known before now, we've made several efforts to see Nnamdi Kanu on a neutral environment where there will be no box, no cameras watching us, nobody tapping our conversation. But it has always been frustrated by the state security services of Nigeria. You know, so because of this, we brought Form 48 and Form 49 to charge the Director General for contempt. But as you can see what transpired in court, it appears there's an overt protection of the Director General of the DSS. We feel strongly that contempt of court has been occasioned by those refusals, by the refusals of the Director General and his men to obey the orders of court. They have refused to allow lawyers, as ordered by court, to meet with Nnamdi Kanu as a team. They've refused to give us writing materials. They've refused us a bug-free environment until we brought Form 48 and Form 49 to cite them for contempt. Then immediately, just on Friday, only on Friday, they now say, three of you can enter, take paper. But they have already committed contempt. They've already breached all these things before now. So we are asking, why did you breach it? Why did you refuse to respect the law? So they have been the one forcing a situation of fait accompli on us. They've made it impossible for us to consult with Nnamdi Kanu. You can imagine where you are asking your question, your client how to go about his defense, and they are busy around you listening. And then not only that, they will not allow you to take notes. Imagine where you have such long conversation of like 2 hours, not write anything. You can't remember everything. You can. So because of this, we brought that those applications, but the judge says she has not seen it, but it's in her file. And then she now said she will look at the file after the court had risen. Then the prosecution is saying that they were just served today. You know, all these things are not the truth. They are not the truth. But we are resolute, we are determined, we are focused on it. If they must be taught to obey rules of court. Look at the orders and judgments that have been gotten on behalf of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. From Enugu, from Umuahia, from everywhere, from Geneva, from international partners. They have refused to obey even one. Even one they refuse to obey. And then they want us to continue to go into trial. What is the guarantee that if trial is carried on and we succeed in bringing him out, they will obey it?
Yes.
So
I think that's about it. That's what Umu Chineke.
Self-explanatory.
Umu Chineke ndewo no. I kuchinchim. Nnamdi Kanu's legal team was rugede. And when you megano, no fair trial, no trial. Hacho hakwa ka bankata. Otu my colleague is weku. Mana a man si na azu uno we convicted Nnamdi Kanu. He can't go behind us. I am ankwe. Ndewo no.
So my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. If you listen to Mazen Nnamdi Kanu very well, Onagono say he said, I condemn every manner of killings and violence against innocent people in the Southeast region. We cannot allow the killings and destruction to go on. IPOB leader Mazen Nnamdi Kanu addressed the press at the Federal High Court. You guys know that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, no leave, no transfer. He talk him as he be, and there is a kind of statement that he made. He say, if I am released today, all those people they cause all those where they take advantage using the name of IPOB and using the name of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu to they commit some kind of things, say all of them go shocking and not true. Yesterday broadcast I made, I said if Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is released, things go change. A lot of people they use this IPOB, they cover up to commit a lot of things for there, of which Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, he knows say a lot of things where they commit, he knows say now bad guys that they do those things, and he said some leaders are benefiting from it. That is why they don't want to release him. When they want to, they go say that because of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. And according to the report, we say today, say the judgment today now peaceful one for a peaceful reconciliation. The case has been adjourned to the 23rd and 25th of September 2024. So my realistic people, now the matter when it end up be that, may you share this video, may you like, may you subscribe, as I go see they give on all the updates about things where happen for inside the court where be say we not know and we not hear. You know, say gradually the truth and everything goes till they come as so. Make gonna stay true to this channel, and if you haven't subscribed to Progress the Analyst, what are you waiting for? Please smash on that button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that when I upload any updates you will be the first to notify. Thank you so much and bye bye.